Looks like we've got another mystery on our hands.
And the first thing to do is find Mr. Sims. And I bet he's in that ancient village. That's a perfect place for ghosts.
Oh, who wants to find an old haunted village?
No. Oh, yes, you do.
Like, no way. Besides, those tracks stop at the jungle.
Oh, we can follow them in the jungle, thanks to Scooby's keen tracking nose.
Oh, too bad. This Scooby snack smells delicious.
A Scooby snack?